Hi students, I am Praveen Haridas, Head of the Department Commerce, Goodwill Independent PU College. Today we are going to discuss how to treat goodwill as per Accounting Standard 26 with reference to admission of partner. First, starting with the journal entries what you need to pass. When the goodwill is brought in cash, the first journal entry which we need to pass is cash account debit, cash account debit to new partners capital account. New partners capital account, and in this amount, in this we take capital as well as goodwill. Hope you have understood this. Then out of this capital and goodwill, now goodwill should be removed and distributed to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. For that, we pass the journal entry new partners capital account debit to old partners capital account. Old partners capital account. So remember, this need to be distributed in sacrificing ratio. And if this cash is withdrawn by the old partners, then the journal entry passed is old partners capital account debit, old partners capital account debit to cash account. Old partners capital account debit to cash account. So these are the three journal entries with connection to admission of partner. Now, this may not help you much because still you are not clear with the amounts and all. Let us take a textbook example or the question bank example, which will tell you how to account it under new method. I have taken problem number 8 from the question bank, in which there are two partners, Pujari and Purohit, and Pandit is entering into the business. Now, when Pandit enters into the business, the journal entry we passes cash to new partners capital account. In this, his capital account, assume that capital amount is X plus 18,000. Together we will take. So the amount is, if it is 40, it will be 58,000, whatever amount it is there. So we need to take that. Later on, in the next, we need to remove this 18,000 from this, that is new partners capital account debit 18,000 to old partners capital account. They have to be distributed in their sacrifice ratio, and in the problem sacrifice ratio is not given nor the information to calculate that. Hence we assume that old ratio itself is sacrifice ratio and the old ratio is equal. Hence it will be distributed as 9,000 each. And the problem says that half of the goodwill has been withdrawn. So here it will be, I don't have space to write here, I will incorporate that later. So it will be 4,500 and 4,500 when they withdraw. Now let's see how this can be drawn, how this can be shown in the account. So first, let me write the names of the partners. So one is Pujari, next is Purohit, and the next one is Pandit. This is particulars, and I hope you can judge that this is a partner's capital account. Now Pujari, then Purohit, then Pandit. So this is particulars, this is debit, and this is credit. First, when the goodwill is brought in cash, I will write first by cash account, by cash account. In the Pandit column, it will be X plus 18,000. I have not seen the capital account of the amount, otherwise I would have added that and written. So it will be X plus 18,000. And then this 18,000 should be distributed to old partners. How that should be done? See, first, by the journal entries, by new partners capital account. So it will be by Pandit's capital account. By Pandit's capital account, it is 9,000 and 9,000. To old partners capital account, it will be to Pujari's capital account and to Purohit capital account. And the amount will be in the Pandit column, that is 9,000 and 9,000. And when this amount is withdrawn by the partners, when this amount is withdrawn by the partners, we pass the journal entry old partners capital account debit to cash account. So here it will be to cash account. So half is withdrawn. So it is 4,500, 4,500 and dash. So this is how it is shown in the partners capital account. I hope you are clear with this. Then coming to the next one. The second case is when the goodwill is valued and written off. And as I discussed with the board experts, they said that this time you cannot call it as raised. So I'm not calling it as raised. I'm just mentioning it as value. Okay. So goodwill valued and written off. So in that case, how to account? When the goodwill is valued and written off, how to account? Now let us see. Now I have taken a problem where it is problem number 12 in our question bank, which says that Sharat, Bharat and, so one more partner is there. Okay, so the new partner, they have total, their goodwill was valued at rupees 24,000, and out of that 24,000, first what we need to do is we need to remove the share of the new partner. That comes to 4,800. 4,800, and this 4,800 should be divided in their sacrifice ratio. In the problem, the sacrifice ratio is not mentioned, nor any information is given to calculate that. So in that case, we consider old ratio as sacrifice ratio, which is 2:1. So if I divide, I will be getting 3,200 and 1600. Okay, and the journal entry is very simple. It is the uh, universal entry what we pass, that is gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner. So here we pass the journal entry, that is new partner, because he is gaining on admission. So new partner's capital account debit to old partner's capital account. It's a universal entry, and same entry we pass in retirement also, but here there the names will be different. So now, as per that, what I should do first, I should first write by who is the new partner. We don't know. I have not written his name clearly. It is Sharat, Bharat, or something might be his name. So I take it as X. By X capital account, by X capital account, by X capital account, the amount should be written in his new partner. So we should write it in old partners column. So how much? 3200 in Sharat column, and next is Bharat will be 1600, and this new person dash. And now here it will be to Sharat capital account, and next to Bharat capital account, but the amount should be written in new partners column, that is 3200 and 1600. So this is how you need to account for goodwill as per AS 26. So hope these two examples will clarify all your doubts, and if you still have any doubt, then please post it in the comment box. Those will be replied. Thank you very much.